Hi, Collision Drumstick family. This is Juan Cervera from Cancun, Mexico. I've been playing with this new item for me that is a Collision 5VR stick. It's been awesome. Trying a new size. It's almost 1 inch more stick, and I've been feel very comfortable playing with that. A little complex at the beginning, but now my movements is getting better, and I want to present you a couple of songs that I love to play. One of my favorite bands. The other is from Disemboweled. One is a cover song from Paradise Lost, one of my iconic bands, and the other is called Path Through Salvation, one of the new songs from the upcoming album. So I hope you like it, and thank you very much for let me try this one, and awesome, I like it. Thank you. Very recommended a lot.